Welcome to the Greenhorn Tenderfoot channel. I'm going to show you tips and tricks to get through life's little messes.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your dryer vent. You're going to need a long bristle brush as well as a shop vac. First, let's unplug the machine. Now, this is the stuff right here that you're going to want to get out of.
Start by vacuuming the lint filter. Next, use your vacuum and try the best that you can to clean out the lint trap area. You may need to use a bristle brush. As you can see, you get more with the brush. And you may have to repeat this a dozen or more times. Insert the bristle brush as far in as it will go. Don't try to force it though. Once you're satisfied that you've gotten as much as you can, we're going to move to the next step.
Next, we're going to pull out the dryer. You may need a hand for this. Next, we're going to disconnect the pipe. In this case, it came off when I moved it. But you may need to use a screwdriver for a hose clamp. At the back of the machine, remove the hose. Again, you may need to use a screwdriver for a hose clamp.
Next, we're going to clean the back side of the dryer. Clean the outside as well as inside using the bristle brush and the vacuum. Next, we're going to clean the exhaust port. This is what will go outside of the house. Now, depending on where your dryer is located, it may be a longer run than others. Clean this the best you can using the bristle brush. Outside of the house, you'll see a vent flap, something similar to this. It may have louvers or it may be a triangular shaped vent coming out of the house. We're going to clean out the inside of this vent pipe. Again, using the bristle brush. Back inside, clean the debris on the floor from where you were taking care of the exhaust vent. Next, lay out the exhaust pipe on the floor. And stick the bristle brush through it. Isn't this satisfying? Next, you're just going to reassemble everything and test out the dryer to make sure it works properly. You've just cleaned the dryer vent. Please like, subscribe, and comment.